Now let's add parts used for the maintenance job. Select parts used, then tap the plus icon to record the parts. The parts option gives a drop-down list to choose from. After selecting the part used for the job, new fields for number of parts and unit of measure appear. Fill these in along with the completion date. Use the plus icon to add more parts if needed. All service expenses, including labour, are recorded against the equipment under the Expenses tab for full cost oversight. The time recorded for maintenance jobs automatically creates timesheet entry, streamlining your record keeping. Once the mechanic has finished all the items they are going to complete on the equipment, they select Complete Job. Lastly, the mechanic can enter in any final notes, add a picture and their signature before selecting Done. Let's look at equipment next. The final step involves addressing faults that have been identified but not yet reported. To begin, navigate to the Equipment section and select the Equipment tab. Choose the equipment for which you would like to create a maintenance job. Scroll down and select Perform Maintenance.